In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download Pinterest videos to your phone gallery. Before we dive into the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. But if you've ever seen a video here on Pinterest that you really like and you want to save it directly to your photo gallery, here's how you can do so. Begin by opening up the Pinterest app and tap on whatever video you'd like to download. I'm just going to go ahead and search one up real quick. This one looks cool enough, I think we're going to rock with it. What you're going to want to do though is tap on the three dots in the corner and select copy link just like so. Now go ahead and back out of Pinterest and open up a web browser of your choice and go to clickpin.com. This is essentially a Pinterest video downloader, and there's going to be a lot of ads on this website. Simply just ignore them and take that URL that you just copied and paste it into this box right here and hit download. This is going to load for a second and it's going to take you to a page that looks something like this. Scroll down on this page until you see the option to download the video and select it just like so. From here, it's going to download and it's going to pop up with a pop-up that looks like this. Select download just like so, and then click on this little download button that's going to glow right here and navigate into your downloads. Select that video, and then hit the little share icon in the bottom right and select save video, and that's going to save it to your gallery. Now if I go ahead and scroll over to my Photos app and open it up, here is that exact video off of Pinterest. But that's it. Your Pinterest video is now going to be saved in your gallery so you can watch it anytime. If this video did help you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. Have a great day. Peace.